Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sakleen. Sakleen, you're still not audible, huh? Everyone, switch on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Sakleen. Yeah, now you're. No, you're
Ma'am,
up.
I'm Abdullah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Abdullah. Yeah. I thought Sakleen. Is Sakleen, sorry. Abdullah, switch on your camera. Sakleen, you too. Farhana. Abdullah, you did not submit your homework.
Which one, ma'am?
Addition and subtraction of polynomial. You can see I got only Farhana, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Sakleen. Abdullah and Ahmad, you have not submitted. Sakleen, you have submitted, right? I have to check it. So please submit it today so that I'll check it today, okay? All of you. Okay, everyone is in? Except, okay, Muazzam, Mudabbir and Ahmad. Okay, I'll start. We'll have a revision, little bit of revision. Okay, before that, what did we do in the previous class? I already told you what we were doing. Okay. What we were doing in the previous class? Yes, Sakleen? Sakleen, you're not audible.
Multiplication of
Multiplication of
polynomials.
polynomials.
We did multiplication of polynomials. So any doubt is there in multiplication? Because we have not practiced yet. But is it clear to you all? Because then only we can move on to division of polynomial. Okay. Ahmad, please switch on your camera. Ahmad, you have to submit your homework of addition and subtraction of polynomial. Okay. That is not done yet. So you have not submitted. So today you and Abdullah, both of you submit your assignments. Okay. Muazzam, Mudabbir, are you in? Everyone, please switch on your camera. Abdullah. Okay. Okay, fine, Ahmad. Ahmad, switch on your camera. Sakleen. And Muazzam Mudabbir, please switch on your camera. Okay. So today we'll be doing division of polynomials. Okay. So in division of polynomial, as I told you in multiplication also we used our in multiplication also we used powers and exponent rules. Okay. So I'll just have a revision of power and exponent rules so that you don't forget it, because in division also we have to use the same things, the rules of power and exponent, division rules. Okay. So what do we do? You already know. So I'm just asking you questions. Okay. A raised to x into a raised to y is equal to is how much?
A
Sakleen?
raised to x plus
A
y.
raised to xy.
No, it's not
X,
xy.
x, x
X
plus y.
plus y. Okay. Now, if it is a raised to x divided by a raised to y is equal to, I can write it as a raised to x upon a raised to y also. Okay. I can write it like this. Farhana, what will be the answer?
A raised to x minus y.
A raised to x minus y. And another one was a raised to x whole power n. Means two powers are there. So what will be the answer, Muazzam?
Ma'am, a raised to x n.
We have the main rules that we are going to use in multiplication and division also. Okay. So just a moment. Okay. So now division of polynomial. So in division of polynomial, this is very important and this is a little different from normal thing. So you have to understand how we are doing division of polynomials. So first we'll start with dividing a monomial by a monomial. Okay. So suppose I have a question, I'll do a question and you will get to know because it is simple. 25x cube y cube, this is a solved example question, divided by 5x square y. Okay, this is the question. So what we'll do, we'll just write it in the simple form in the fraction. You know that division can be written in the form of fraction also. So we'll just write it like this, okay? 5x square y. Now you divide the constants. Constants you can divide like this also. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now divide the variables. Variables, you know, same base x and x. Same base and power will be subtracted. So x will have 3 minus 2. Constant is 5 because I divided 25. So 5 5s are 25. Constant is 5. X raised to 3 minus 2 into y raised to what will be 3 minus, this is 1. So y raised to 3 minus 1. I'm writing in steps. You can write directly also so that you understand. So that is why I'm writing it like this. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and y raised to 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. So this is your answer. Dividing monomial by a monomial is very simple. You can divide directly, just constant by constant and powers by powers. You can divide and you know the power and exponent rule. You just use the same thing and you can do. So this is first question. Now second one is, suppose I have a question, minus 12ax square divided by 4x. Okay, I'm not writing divided sign over. I just wrote in the fraction form. So 4 3s are 12. So I get a minus 3 in the sign because minus will not go. 1 minus is already there. A, there is no denominator in A. So A will come as it is. X and X. So Sakleen, what will I write the power of X? Tell me. X square by X.
I'm
What?
X only.
Only X. Because 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is your answer for the second part. Now suppose if you have a polynomial, my polynomial is and divided by a monomial. So this will be 15x cube minus 3x square plus 18x, okay, divided by a monomial which is 3x. So what we do, again, we'll write it in the form of fraction. How will I write in the form of fraction? This numerator and denominator. So numerator is 3x square plus 8. This is called as dividend, okay? And the divisor is written in the denominator. Now what I will do, I will separate the terms, okay? Because only one term is there. So you know that you can separate the denominators. So I'll separate the denominators. It will be 15x cube upon 3x, okay? Then minus 3x square upon 3x plus 18x upon 3x. Is this step correct or not? Is it clear to you? If you have a common denominator, you can separate the terms. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Abdullah, Ahmad, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can do it stepwise. Now, single step, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. And Abdullah, what will be the answer of the first term? 5. X ka power, what will be?
5 x will be 0.
X
No,
square.
sorry, 2 x square.
X square minus 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So what will be the second term, Mudabbir? X
And
plus
X.
on X. Yes, only X. And here you cancel it. 3 6 are 18. So only 6 because x1 minus 1 is 0. So you'll get only X. So your answer is this one. 5x square minus X plus 6. So these are simple. But when you have to divide a polynomial by a polynomial, see, dividing a monomial by a monomial is simple. Dividing a polynomial by a monomial is also simple. You can separate and divide it like monomial by monomial and you can find the answer. But dividing a polynomial by a polynomial is different and you have to learn the steps how to do, and by practice you will be able to solve the questions also. Okay, so should I erase this? This is clear to you all? Okay. Okay. Now, division of polynomial. Now, I'll take polynomial by polynomial. Division of polynomials. Okay. Now, you already know, suppose if number is there, suppose 25 divided by 3 is there. So, you divide it like this, okay? You do it in the long division method. When you do it in long division method, you do it like this. What will be the quotient?
8.
Yes, 8.
Mm.
So this thing is, what is it called as? Mozam, what is this 3 called as? Divisor, dividend, what is it called as?
I'm divisor.
Yes. So this is divisor. What is the value of dividend, Ahmad? What is the value of dividend?
25.
Yes, this is dividend. 8 is called as quotient and R1 is called as remainder. So divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. So same thing we'll use here also, but here we cannot, we have to do it in the long division method only. Okay, so I'll solve a question and you will understand how do we solve it. But it should be clear what is divisor, what is dividend. Suppose the question is divide 2x square plus 5x plus 3 by 2x plus 3. So here you are dividing a polynomial by a binomial. Okay. So step 1 is you should write both the divisor and the dividend in the decreasing power of degree. I have always told you you should have this expression in the decreasing power of the degree. Most of the time it is given in the question only in the decreasing power, but sometimes to make the question tricky, what they do, they will write it as 5x plus 2x square plus 3. Okay, so then you have to change the form, make it in the standard form like this in the decreasing power of degree, and then you will start the division. Okay, so first step, that is very important. If you don't shift the positions, if you don't make it in the decreasing order, you will not get the answer. Okay, you will not be able to solve the division only. Okay, so first step is make both the expressions, which is dividend and divisor, in the decreasing power of the x. Okay, descending power of the x. So here it is already given, so you don't have to do anything. 2, 1 and 0. Here it is 1 and 0. So it is already, both the expressions are in the decreasing order, so you don't have to do anything. Now we'll go to the second step. Second step is, as we do in the normal questions, dividend, you will write it as like this, and divisor will be written like this. We are going to use the long division method only. Now just observe, take the first term here and first term here. Okay, and you have to divide. So this you have to do it in rough. Here it is, the rough is there. So this you have to do it in rough. Divide the first term of dividend 2x square by the divisor. If you divide it like this, you know the division of monomial by monomial, you already know, and this your answer is what? X, correct? 2 minus 1 x. Now this is your quotient. So what you will do now? Quotient is here. You know what we do? Whatever quotient is there, quotient has to be multiplied with this, correct? to get whatever we, like if your division was, I did it here now, 25. So you did 3 8s are, so 3 into 8 is 24 and 1 was the remainder. So here also I found the quotient by this. So x is my quotient. Now here I have to write by multiplying 2x plus 3 into x. Now you know the multiplication. So the steps are, too many steps are there, but you have to remember in the same way. X into 2x, what is it? X into 2x, what is it, Farhana? 2 will be as it is. X into x,
Square 2x square.
2x square. X into 3, so plus 3x. Okay, so this is my answer. So here I will write under 2x square, I'll write 2x square. Under x, I will write 3x. And what is the next step? You subtract, right? Here you subtract. And you know what do we do in subtraction? We reverse the sign. So I will reverse the sign over here. So 2x square minus 2x square, this get cancel out. Always first term will cancel out. So this cancel out. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2x. Okay. Now the next term will come down. Next term is what? 3. 2x plus 3. So again the same process you will do. 2x and 2x divide. 2x divided by 2x is equal to 1. Okay. You get 1. So your quotient is plus 1. Now 1 से multiply करो इसको, 2x plus 3 को if you multiply with 1 you will get the same thing. Okay, anything multiplied by 1 you will get the same thing. So I got the same thing, 2x plus 3. Again I will reverse the sign. Okay, so now I will reverse the sign. Reversing the sign, this becomes minus, this becomes minus. So this cancel out, your remainder is 0. So here you have quotient is equal to x plus 1 and remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So too many steps are there. Again, one more question I'll solve, but I am repeating the step. The first step will be, first take it, 2x plus 3 is the divisor, and dividend, you have to take it in the descending order of the polynomial. So both the polynomials, write it in the descending order and put it at the proper place. Divisor will be here and dividend will be here. Then take the first term of dividend and divide it by the first term of divisor. So I took it 2x square by 2x. Whatever answer you got, this is the quotient. Now quotient will be multiplied with the divisor to get whatever we have to subtract from the dividend. Okay, so we now when you are subtracting, what we'll do? We'll reverse the sign, because you already know in subtraction of polynomial or in the bottom you have to reverse the sign. So reverse the sign. 2x square minus 2x square is 0. 5x minus 3x is plus 2x. Now the next term will come down, which is plus 3. So it will come down plus 3. Now you already see that 2x plus 3 is there and you got 2x plus 3. So it will go by 1 times, or you can do the same process, divide 2x by 2x, you got 1. So 1 you will write, which is plus 1 you got. So plus 1 you will write and multiply 1 into 2x plus 3. You write 2x plus 3, put a reverse sign reversal and you get a 0 remainder. Okay, is it clear? Anyone has doubt in this? No or yes? Tell me. No? Yeah.
I didn't understand anything.
You didn't understand anything. Not a first step also. Can you tell me the first step of Ahmed? You need
Yeah,
to
I
switch on
understood
your
I understood the first step.
You need to switch on your camera, Ahmed, first of all. Yeah. What is the first step, Ahmed?
You do the decreasing order of degree.
Correct. Then what did I do over here?
I didn't understand why you have to change the sign.
When you subtract, what do? The bottom portion is a negative, na? Have you forgotten subtraction?
Yes.
You've forgotten subtraction? Should I remind you?
No.
See, see here I have done division. what do? You subtract, not 25 minus 24. So it is a negative sign. But in polynomial, what we do the sign reversal. Do you remember that? When we subtract, we reverse the sign. In addition and subtraction of polynomial, that's why that was your homework. You have not done your homework, so you have forgotten. Okay. So subtraction you have to reverse the sign. Is it clear, everyone? Rest of you, Farhana, Saklain, Abdullah,
Yes.
Muazzam, Mudabbir, is it clear? Now is it clear, Ahmad? You have to subtract. So that is why you are doing it. Okay. Okay, we'll do some more questions, then you will understand. Let us do, okay, I'll be doing so that you understand. Next question is divide. If suppose you have a question, divide x cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1. This is your question. Okay. Now both are polynomial and both are in descending order. So you don't have to do anything. You just write it in the proper form. Okay. X cube minus 1. Okay. Tell me, Farhana, what will I do now here in the rough work? What will I do?
Ma'am, we'll take x cube and
divide by?
we'll divide it by x minus 1.
No, only x. I told you only see the first term and divide and get a quotient. When you are multiplying, you will multiply with both the terms. Okay. So I'm finding the quotient. What will be my answer, Saklain? X cube by x. What is my quotient?
3.
No. Ahmad, what will be the answer? X cube by x. Which law we are using? The
X square, X square.
Yes, x square. So my quotient is x square over here. Now, you know, when I got this quotient has to be multiplied with the divisor. So multiply the quotient with the divisor, x square. So you get x square into x. I have to multiply both the terms. Muazzam, x square into x. What will be my answer? X minus 1 into x square, Muazzam.
X square into x.
What?
X cube.
X cube. Then minus 1 into x square.
Minus x square.
Minus x square. So this I have to subtract. I don't have a x square term. So I will just write x cube over here and minus x square somewhere different place because I don't have a x square in the in this dividend. So I'll just put it here and I will reverse the sign because I have to subtract. So when I am subtracting, you will always see that your first term has to go. Always your first term will go. If it is not going, that means you are doing something wrong. Okay. And then second term will be because minus 1 I cannot write first. I have to write it in the descending order. So I'll write over here x square and then minus 1. Okay. I'll write this term first because my degree should go in descending order. Okay. So minus x square and then minus 1 will come down. Next step will come down. Okay. Let me, you will get confused. Let me write it in a proper way. I'm just leaving one gap over here, minus 1, because I'm getting minus x square. So here, यहाँ पे minus x square, यहाँ पे you don't have anything, and change the sign. When I change the sign, I get plus x square, and this minus 1 will come down. So minus 1. Now what will I do, Mudabbir? What will I do now? Again, I have to repeat the same step.
Multiply x square with x square minus 1.
No, don't take full thing. You have to divide, but how I'll get the quotient? Take only the first term. X square by x. Okay, always take the quotient by taking the first terms. And then multiply, you have to multiply with both the terms. Okay. So what we have done? X square by x, Mudabbir. What will be the answer?
X.
Yes, x. So now this is your quotient plus x. So I will write plus x in the quotient. Now what will I do? Saklain, x say I have to multiply this. So now multiply x minus 1 into x. Multiply it. X into x.
X square minus x.
Yes, x square minus x. So here I'll write x square. Again, there is no x coefficient. So I'll write minus x like this. ऊपर कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. So minus and plus sign again. See, first term goes plus x square minus x square. First term will go, it will be 0, and then you have plus x, and this term will come down now again minus 1. Now again I have to take, Abdullah, what will I do? X minus 1, x minus 1. What will be the quotient?
X square minus 1.
Why you are taking x square minus 1?
Ma'am,
What?
1.
1 only, na? Because you have to divide x by x. So when you are dividing x by x, you will get 1. And now what will happen, Farhana? Tell me, x minus 1, what will you do? You will multiply with 1?
No, ma'am, I have to subtract.
First you will have to multiply, na? Then only you will get x minus 1. You have to multiply the quotient with the divisor, and then you will subtract, and then the sign changes. You get plus 1 minus 1, 0 remainder. So this is your quotient. This is your quotient, and remainder equal to 0. Okay. So when you do only, then only you will understand. So now next question, everyone start doing with me only. Okay. So that you understand what we are doing. This question is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So next question. Next question is, write down, divide 2x cube. Okay, let me write the question. 5x minus 11 minus 12x square plus 2x cube divided by 2x minus 5. Okay. Ahmed, what will be my first step? How will I write it in the dividend?
You will have to do the decreasing order of the cube.
So what will be this polynomial in the decreasing order?
2x
2x cube, then
minus 12x square
yes, then
plus 5x
plus 5x
minus 11.
minus 11. So this is, see, this question they have not given in descending order. So you have to arrange it in descending order. Okay. And then here it is same, 2x minus 5. Okay. Okay. Mozam, what will be my first step now? After doing this, what will be my next step?
And we'll divide 2x cube by 2x.
Yes, 2x cube by 2x. What will be the answer?
2x square.
No, 2
X
cancel.
square, sorry, man. X square.
X square. So this is your quotient that you have to write over here, x square. Now multiply x square and 2x minus 5. And Abdullah, give me the answer. Multiply 2x, just multiply and give me the answer. Into x square. What will be my answer?
Ma'am, 2x cube minus 5x square.
Yes. So now I will take this and put it here. Under 2x cube, you will write 2x cube, and under x square, you will write 5x square. Okay. Saklain, what is my next step now?
You'll have to subtract.
Subtract. So for subtraction, what will I do? Reverse the sign. Subtraction of polynomial, you have to reverse the sign. Okay. So see, my first step is again going, because plus 2x cube and minus 2x cube is 0. So it cancel out. What will be the answer over here, Saklain? Minus 12x square and plus 5x square.
It is 7x square.
Sign?
Plus.
No, plus 5 is smaller. Minus 12 is greater. So minus 7x square. Okay. And what we'll do, we'll write all the terms together. Okay. You can write, you just don't bring one by one term. You can bring all the terms together. Okay. Now what will I do? Minus 7x square. Farhana, what is my next step now? Again, first step, first term.
Ma'am, we'll have to divide.
What will I divide?
Minus 7x square and 2x.
And 2x. So what will be my answer? Decimal mein you don't write, you take it as minus 7 by 2 only. Okay. And x square by x, what is it?
X.
X. So my quotient is minus 7 by 2x. So minus 7 by 2x over here. Now, Ahmed, what will I do? I got this quotient. Now what will I write here? You have to multiply, right? What will you
Yes. Minus 7 upon 2x
Yeah.
times 2x minus 5.
Minus 5. Yeah. So multiply now. 2x into minus 7 by 2x. What will be the answer? Anybody knows what is the answer for this? 2x into minus 7 by 2x. Mudabbir? You can multiply, you can do the rough work also.
Ma'am, 14 upon 2x square
Yes.
minus 14 upon 2x square.
Minus 14 upon 2 is what? Actually, it is 7 only.
7.
Okay. So I can write minus 7x square. You can write at separate place and check also. 2 into 7 by 2. So 2 cancel ho jata hai. So you have only 7. So 7x square and then minus and minus. Next, what will be the answer, Abdullah? Minus and minus becomes plus. Then
35 upon 2x.
35 upon 2x. So I'll put it here now. So here you have minus 7x square plus 35 upon 2x, and then you don't have anything, so you will write it like this. Again, sign reversal. Sign reversal, when you do, your first term again gets cancelled out, minus 7x square and plus 7x square, 0. Here you will have 5 minus 35 by 2, normal subtraction, x minus 11. Okay. So what is it? Just solve it. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 35 is how much? Minus 25. You can separately do it. I'm doing it over here only. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 35 is minus 25. I told you how to do the whole number wala division. So this is actually this step. Okay. Minus 25 by 2, x minus 11. Now again the same step. Okay, now my first term is how much? First term is, now I will divide minus 25 by 2x divided by 2x. Okay, so if it gets confusing, you can write like this also. You know that fraction division kya hota hai? Reciprocal. Okay, into 1 by 2x, right? So your answer is x cancel, and you understood what I did now? Fraction division mein you did the reciprocal and get the answer. So minus 25 by 4. So this is your quotient now. So my quotient is now minus 25 by 4. So now I have to multiply with the quotient with 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 into minus 25 by 4. What will be the answer here? Muazzam, 2x into minus 25 by 4. How much it will be?
Minus 50x upon 4.
हाँ, so lowest form में क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 25 by 2x,
Minus 25. Yes.
right? And minus minus plus is how much? 25 fives are how much? 125 upon 4, correct? Is it clear? My calculation, 25 fives is 125 and minus minus sign. So this I will put it here now. Again, see, minus 25 by 2x and plus 125 by 4. Sign reversal. First term goes and second term is how much? You separately solve it. Minus common nikal ke 11 plus 125 by 4. Answer your remainder. You are getting remainder. 44 plus 125. How much is it? 44 plus 125. 169 by 4. So minus 169 by 4 is the remainder. This is your quotient. And your remainder is equal to minus 169 by 4. Okay. So the number of steps are too much. When you do the questions, you will remember. And this is a very important topic, division of polynomials, because you'll be needing in solving the polynomials. Okay. So now I would be giving you some questions to solve, and then we'll do it here. I'm taking the exercise question only. Okay. Question exercise 3.4 only. I'm taking the questions. Should I rub this, everyone? Is this clear? Ahmad, is it clear now? Ahmad? Okay. Farhana, Abdullah, Saklain, Muazzam, Mudabbir, is it clear to you all? Okay. Okay. So just we'll do some questions and then you see what problem you are facing. Okay. So first question is, I'm giving you second question. Question is x square minus x plus 1 and divided by x plus 1. So solve it. All of you solve it and then I'll see. I'll solve later. You give me the answer. I'll solve it later.
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am? X square minus x plus 1, right?
Yes, divided by x plus 1. So now solve it. Then I will solve you if you are not able to get the answer. Now doing Abdullah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after we do the division, we have to do the multiplication, ma'am.
Yeah. First term you have divided. Then the
Yes.
quotient that you have got, you will multiply with the divisor. Okay.
Okay.
Then whatever you get, you will write under the dividend and then subtract. These are the steps. Abdullah, Saklain, Ahmad, please switch on your camera and give me the answer. I'm waiting for the answer. Don't wait for my answer.
Ma'am, can you please just repeat the question, ma'am?
Question is, I wrote it on this also. X square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Doesn't matter even if it is wrong, because it's a new topic. You cannot get it in one attempt only. If you're getting it in one attempt, it's excellent.
Ma'am, I got the answer x cube, ma'am.
First term you got x cube. How will you get x cube? You are dividing, so power will be less, na? Quotient, how much you got, Farhana? First quotient, first term quotient.
X.
Yes, you will get x. You have to divide x square by x.
Ma'am, in multiplication, so we have to do x plus 1 into x.
Yes. So you'll get x square plus x. Then you will reverse the sign. Anyone has got?
Ma'am, I did till x square plus x that
Ah,
I subtracted them, so I got both zero. So what should I do with the one which is left plus
no,
one?
no, no. You didn't reverse the sign. You got x square plus x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will reverse the sign. So x square ka sign becomes negative and plus x ka sign becomes negative. So you will get minus 2x plus 1. Is it clear, Muazzam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Got your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will divide minus 2x by x. X. Minus 2x by x. Correct. So minus 2x by x will be minus 2. Second term quotient will be minus 2. Ahmad, Abdullah, how much you have done? Show me the notebook also. I want to see your notebook, how much you have done. Ahmad, switch on your camera. Yeah, how much you got, Farhana?
Ma'am, I'm on this step, like you have to do x plus 1 into minus 2.
Correct. So you will get minus 2x
Huh.
plus 2 you will get, right? Minus 2 into minus 1 is a, no, sorry, not minus 1. It is plus 1 only. No? So minus 2 only you will get. Ahmad got the answer? So Farhana, you are on the last step.
Not yet.
You got? What's the answer, Ahmad?
I don't have the answer.
Okay, complete it. Farhana, what is your quotient? X,
X minus 2.
yeah, that is correct. X minus 2 is quotient. What is the remainder you are getting after subtracting?
0.
0 you are getting? I don't think you'll get 0. Muazzam, just check the sign. Both the sign you have to reverse. Muazzam, did you reach on the final step?
Yes, ma'am. Almost there. Plus one.
Ma'am, is the remainder minus 1?
Remainder should be plus 3. Okay, I'll check and do. I'll see how much we are getting.
Not remainder plus 3.
Plus 3 you're getting, na? That should, that
And quotient is x minus 12.
x minus?
Minus 2, sorry. Not
Yes, x minus 2 is the quotient. Okay, I'm doing it over here. Those who have mistakes, those who have done mistake, just see where you are doing the mistake. Okay. Question is this. So I will write it like this: x square minus x plus 1. So here I'm writing, wait. X square minus x plus 1. So my step is divisor is x plus 1. So what did you do, Ahmad? You have to divide it over here, x square by x. What did I get? X. So my quotient is x. Now I will multiply x plus 1 into x. So x plus 1 into x is simple. X square, you don't need to write also. If you can do it directly, you can do it directly. After practice, you are able to do it directly. X square plus x. Now, if this is plus, so I will change the sign. If I change the sign, because I have to subtract, plus x square and minus x square is 0. And minus x and minus x is minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now minus 2x divided by x again. So x cancel, you get minus 2 as quotient. So minus 2 is the quotient. I will multiply minus 2 with x plus 1. So when I multiply minus 2 with x plus 1, I get minus 2x minus 2. I'll write it over here, minus 2x minus 2. I will again change the sign. sign becomes reversed. So minus 2x and plus 2x becomes 0, and plus 1 and plus 2 becomes plus 3. So this is your remainder. Farhana, did you see your mistake here? My plus 1 and plus, because we had changed the sign, na? So it will be plus 1. Mudabbir, did you get your mistake in the last step? Remainder?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
So this is the correct answer. Ahmad, is it clear now? Sakleen, Ahmad, this is the answer. Note down, this is your exercise question. Okay. One more question I'm giving you. Question number is 3. Okay. I'll write the question over here. Question is 6x square minus 5x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 2x. 2x minus 1. So note down this question. Now solve it. Try step by step. First step is already done in decreasing order. So it is already given in decreasing order. What happened? Ahmed left. What is the first quotient anyone has got? First quotient?
3x.
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 3x is the first quotient. When you multiply, what do you get? 2x minus 1 into 3x. How much you got, Sakleen?
6x.
No, full you have to multiply. Na? 2x minus 1 into 3x you have to do. Quotient ko you have to multiply with the divisor. Okay, that is the next step.
Ma'am, 6x square minus 3x.
Yes, now reverse the sign and add. What did you get, Abdullah, after subtracting?
Minus 2x plus 1.
Yes. So minus 2x plus 1 is correct. Then again you will divide 2x by 2x. So same thing is there. Na? Minus 2x ko divide karo by 2x. What is the second term of the quotient?
Minus 1.
Yes. Now multiply minus 1 with the divisor, 2x minus 1. So I'm doing it over here. Six x square minus 5x plus 1 divided by. Those who have done already, tell me. This is 3x you will get first term. So after dividing, you get 3 2s are 6x square minus 3x. We'll reverse the, anyone has got the answer? Reverse the sign, you subtract it, minus 5 and plus 3 is minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x and
3x minus 1.
yes, 3x minus 1 is the quotient. And what is your remainder?
Remainder is 0.
Yes. So cancel out and 0. So remainder equal to 0 and quotient equal to 3x minus 1. So this is your answer. Okay. Oh, I'm not giving you homework. We'll do some more questions in the next class only. Or you can complete these two. Just write down these two questions and do it in homework so that you don't forget. This one, homework is, I'm writing it over here. Homework. X square minus 1 divided by x plus 1. This is the first part, and second one is two x cube plus 4x square, 2x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, these are the two questions. Do it on your own. If you're not able to solve, we'll discuss it in the next class. But this is for your practice so that you don't forget the steps. Okay, everyone has written the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Square minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and second one is 2x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's all. We'll revise in the next class.